So what is the roadmap course and what are the changes that are coming? There are some changes coming to the roadmap. It is a full business development and marketing course, and it offers over 350 videos that are going to help you decide what kind of business you want to have online or bricks and mortar. It's going to help you start, it's going to help you launch, it's going to help you choose what kind of product you can have, whether your product is viable. There are around 30 modules, and it is literally the foundation and all the fundamentals you need to build a business from scratch and from the ground up. So on August the 15th, the roadmap is going to be upgraded and changing, and there is a 10-day window from August 15th to August 25th where it is going to be upgraded, right? So if you get the roadmap before August 15th, you're going to get the free upgraded roadmap, but you have to get it before August 15th. Now, what the upgrade is it's going to become an MRR, an affiliate hybrid, and it's going to be hosted on Standstore. So they're changing their platforms, and it is very exciting. These are exciting upgrades, exciting changes. It's going to be a whole new course, but you're only going to get the free new upgraded course if you get the roadmap before August 15th. I do have a payment plan. I think it's 3 monthly payment plans that are in my store at the moment. If you're thinking about digital marketing, I highly recommend the roadmap. It's going to show you everything you need to know to start an online business or any business for that matter. It talks about branding, it talks about social media, content creation, driving traffic to your store through social media. It's going to show you every single thing that you need, all the nitty-gritty, all the back end, all the technical stuff. It is going to hold your hand step by step, extremely user-friendly, and you get a certificate at the end. You are going to be certified and get a certificate because it is a proper educational course. And like any education, it is an incredible investment to learn business skills, to learn online skills. There is so much going on in this course. Go and check the roadmap sneak peek video. It's about 10 to 15 minutes. It's in my store. It's going to give you a whole overview, and if you need any have any questions, reach out to me. My name is Susan. I am in Alberta, Canada. I will gladly answer your questions, and have a great day.